When you suck this right, at the very end, you will be rewarded, and a big load of gum will be shot into your mouth. Now, I can tell you're classy lady, maybe you don't want a mouthful of gum. Maybe you'd rather have that gum on your face or over your tits. That's your business. What you do with the gum is your business. So now, Christine, because this is your first show, I'm going to ask you a question. I'm going to tell you the answer. I'm going to say, Christine, what do you want me to do? And you're going to say, I want you to stick it in my mouth. Christine, what do you want me to do?
I want you to put it in my mouth.
I want you to make this good. She's a Mexican. You know what to say, right? You know what to say. What do you want me to do? Put it in my mouth. If I make a mistake, I believe you were asking about this video. You know what to say? No, stick it in my mouth. What do you want me to do? Stick it in my mouth. Yeah! Say it again. Jack is passing around that Jack.